Cringe.
Me and you ain't on the same shit. You ain't in my lane, bitch. Nah, throw that shit in fifth. Rollie on my wrist. Ay, baby, you a star. I'm my only wish. I'm counting blue hundreds. I'm too money.
Can I have some Oreos?
We have vanilla wafers.
But I have a craving for Oreos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another really poggers epic gaming video. So, recently, if none of you ever heard of the whole Softie-guts situation, Softie-guts did an oopsie fucking again. Now, we all know how this goes. Softie-guts makes a community post, basically using their age as an excuse, and then going on with their life. Well, this time they did it different. They did the Yuki way. Basically, what I mean by the Yuki way is that they basically just left for a few fucking days, came back, and then played victim. What's fucking new with this community? Everyone's a victim. Anyways, so they made an apology. Instead of me giving you the proper rant video, I'm gonna be laughing at their stupid quote-unquote apology. Yes, like, we totally give a shit that you love playing in the woods at night. That is totally why we're watching your video. We just want to hear about you fucking playing in the goddamn woods. Listen, Softie, if you're gonna play victim, at least do it fucking right. I'm not here to listen to you say,
oh my god, I loved playing in the woods.
Like, I don't fucking care that you love playing in the woods. I don't fucking care if you like putting your face in the mud and then eating dog shit. That's you. But I'm not here to listen to your fucking,
oh my god, I love this and I love that
thing. I'm here to listen to your actual argument. But according to you and how you act, you probably don't even have an argument. Oh my god, you hear that, guys? They're here to talk about their boundaries. Let's please respect their boundaries, because they totally respect others' boundaries. Steve, that's not fucking harassment, okay? I don't fucking care if this was meant to be handled privately. Listen, you're one of the most, well, let's just put it this way, you're not really that negotiable. Which means that even if someone did try talking to you in private, you're just gonna be like,
oh, but I'm the victim. Like, why are you so hateful?
Like, Softie, it's not fucking harassment. I don't care if I don't care if your fucking goddamn cats told that to you, but I'm sorry, that's not true. Go ahead, you can do whatever you want with that, but just letting you know, you're not the one getting harassed here. Yuki, you are aware that those videos don't even get taken down half the time. Also, this is only proving that you're trying to hide videos that share your past. And most of the videos aren't even harassing you. They're saying the bad shit you've done. So if you're gonna flag those people for harassment, you are aware they could just re-upload the video. In fact, any other person can download the video and fucking re-upload it. So you just reporting it, attempting to take it down, is fucking useless. Second, why the fuck are you bringing your parents into this? This just shows you're immature as hell. This shows that you can't fight for your own goddamn fights because, why? Because you know at the end of the day that you're in the wrong, but you just want to keep jacking your own dick off, just telling yourself, I'm the innocent one, I'm the innocent one. Well, guess what, fucking Softie? You're not the innocent one. Maybe if, I don't know, you showed a little goddamn balls and decide to come up and be like, hey, the shit I've done was immature. I'm gonna stop doing that shit. I'm gonna stop being fucking toxic. I'm gonna stop being a fucking egotistical piece of shit. And I'm gonna improve myself. But what do I know? You don't like to do any of that. So go ahead, tell your parents that. Oh, how about this? I want you to show this video to your mom. I want to see her yell at me. That's the one thing I want to see. You're gonna prioritize your mental health. Oh no, you're not gonna prioritize the shit you've done and fix your mistakes. You're gonna prioritize over your goddamn mental health. I get it, mental health's important, but if you really don't want any of this shit to still happen and you want people to actually forgive you, or at least have the people you've, I don't know, shitted on to forgive you, I don't know, maybe fix your problems that you made and not just be over here bashing your head against the wall saying, I'm the one victim, I'm the victim, I'm the victim. Like, Softie, you're not the victim. I know you want to keep believing you're the victim, but you're not. And I don't care if you take down this video, and if you ever do, you're just going to prove my point that you don't want to have anybody to see what you were actually like. I know, it's hard to take down that hard medicine, but trust me, Softie, if you really want to improve, maybe at least take some of the criticism that has been happening. Because guess what? I've watched this entire video, and it's fucking shit. Softie, just shut the fuck up. You're not fucking guilt-tripping anybody. Also, go ahead, post your own videos. Oh, you can keep on turning off those comments. I'm pretty sure that you turned off those comments for a good reason. You know what, Softie? I'm not even gonna make a rant video on you, because honestly, if I do, then Jack's gonna shit on that. But, Softie, just shut the fuck up. I can't even tell if Yuki's worse. At least Yuki tried to be the victim. You just are just a pretentious little fuck who wants to keep believing they're the victim. And I'm not even giving credits to Yuki. Yet, somehow, you fucking topped them. You're fucking worse than them. I can't even tell if you're actually... I don't even fucking can't tell if you're actually aware what you did. Honestly, I don't want to fucking know. The answer you're gonna give is, yeah, I'm the victim. Well, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, then I guess fucking sub to me. I'm gonna go fucking watch Osmosis Jones on Netflix.
It's about drive, it's about power. Free NBA Youngboy! Ah!